In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Teams 2024 on both Windows and Mac systems efficiently. Keeping your software up to date ensures you benefit from the latest features, improvements, and security enhancements. So let's get started with the manual update process for each platform. If you're using a Windows PC, the first thing you need to do is make sure Microsoft Teams is completely closed. To do this, first locate the Teams icon in your system tray. Right-click on the icon and select Quit from the drop-down menu to ensure the application is not running in the background. This step is crucial as it allows the installer to update the files properly without interference. Next, you'll want to head over to the official Microsoft Teams download page. From there, download the latest version of the Teams installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer. The process is straightforward, and your existing Teams will be updated seamlessly without affecting your personalized settings or data. This method ensures you're running the latest version with all the new features and improvements implemented by Microsoft. Now, if you're using a Mac, the update process is quite similar, though there are a few differences. Begin by closing Microsoft Teams completely using the Command+Q shortcut. This ensures that no components of the program are active during the update. Once Teams is closed, navigate to the official Teams download page again. Make sure you select the Mac version of the installer. After downloading, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will replace your existing Teams application with the updated version. Don't worry, your settings and any customizations you've made will remain intact. Following these steps ensures that your Microsoft Teams software is up to date with the latest capabilities and security features. Regular updates not only introduce new tools and improve performance, but also protect your system from vulnerabilities. Updating your applications regularly is a good habit, particularly with business-critical software like Microsoft Teams, which you may rely on daily for communication and collaboration. Doing so will help you stay productive and secure, and you'll have access to the cutting-edge features Microsoft rolls out. That's all there is to it for updating Microsoft Teams 2024 on your Windows and Mac devices. By following these simple steps, you ensure that you can take full advantage of everything Teams has to offer. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides just like this one. Stay productive and see you in the next video.